Will AI replace security analysts? No. Is there more to say? The security analyst job is changing, but it's not disappearing. Here's the thing that the robots are taking over crowd misses. In security, the bottleneck was never doing the work. It was the volume. Too many alerts, too few people, not enough hours. See, that's the part that AI takes. The flood. It enriches, it detects, it triages, builds the case. The grind that used to bury the analyst before lunch. And honestly, the grind that nobody's going to miss. Goodbye and good riddance. But then you hit the part that AI can't take, the decision. All right, is this actually an incident or a weird Tuesday? Do we pull the exec's laptop in the middle of a board meeting? How do we explain this to a customer? You know, the tasks that require context. That's judgment. That's accountability. That's a person. It's gut feeling. So the analyst doesn't go away. In reality, they move up, right? Less clicking through alerts, more deciding on what matters. The AI surfaces the suspect. The human confirms the crime. Because when the call is high stakes, you want a person who can be wrong and can learn and can be accountable for their decision. All right? It's not a model, it's a human. AI handles the volume, humans handle the judgment. A force multiplier, not a replacement. The analysts who win the next few years aren't the ones racing the AI. They're the ones that learn to drive it.